The rear AC blower resistor in 2002-2006 Chevy Tahoes often fails, causing the rear fan to stop working or only function on high speed. This resistor controls fan speed by regulating electrical resistance. It's a common problem due to heat buildup from prolonged use and poor airflow. Symptoms include the rear fan not blowing, working only on high, or making unusual noises. The good news is that the blower motor itself is usually fine, making resistor replacement a targeted and cost-effective fix. Diagnostic tools like OBD2 scanners can identify resistor-related fault codes. You can find replacement OEM parts for $20 to $50 at retailers like AutoZone or Amazon, and some aftermarket options offer better heat resistance with ceramic insulators. It's a cheap, easy fix that prevents bigger problems. Start by disconnecting the vehicle battery for safety to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Locate the rear AC blower resistor, which is typically found under the rear passenger seat or within the HVAC module. Remove the rear passenger seat to gain access to the resistor located beneath it. Carefully unplug the old blower resistor from its electrical connector. This is a simple plug-and-play connection requiring no soldering. Before installing the new resistor, inspect the blower motor wiring and connector for any signs of damage, such as melting, corrosion, or burning. Replace any damaged parts if found. Install the new blower motor resistor by plugging it securely into the electrical connector. Reconnect the battery and test the rear AC fan at different speeds to ensure proper operation. This straightforward DIY repair has a high success rate according to forum users. If you're unsure about any step, consult a service manual or seek professional help.